Hi, I'm Sarah and today I'll be showing you how to use a sewing machine on my Shark SewEasy. First, I'll be outlining the parts of the sewing machine. Second, how to thread the upper portion. Third, how to thread a bobbin. And last, how to bring the top and the bottom together in order to start sewing. This is the back of the sewing machine, and this is what I will be referring to as the front. You'll be sewing with the front facing you. This is the power cord receptacle. It links to the input, which you put in your wall, and it also links to your foot pedal. You're going to plug your power cord receptacle into the side of the machine, but you're also going to make sure that the machine is off for safety reasons. This is the on-off switch. The line means on, and the circle means off. And this is the top thread take-up lever. This is the upper thread guide, the bobbin thread tension disc. This is the bobbin. Goes on the bobbin winder spindle. On this model, there's a diagram, A, B, C, D, and so on, for every type of stitch you'd like. Select your stitch using the style. This is the reverse stitch selector. You'll hold it down when you want to stitch backwards. This is the thread tension dial. Usually you keep it on number 3. This is the needle. This is the presser foot. And this is the needle plate. This is the presser foot lift lever. This is your storage and bobbin access. This is your spool pin. You will pull out the thread spool, put on your piece of felt, insert the spool of thread, pull your thread around the upper thread guide. On the right side, following down here, you will pull the thread, loop it back up around, use the hand wheel to rotate the upper thread guide, pull it around, click it in to the thread guide, pull it back down this side, insert the thread into the lower thread guide. From the front of the needle, you're going to put your thread through the hole, pull it through, and there you have it. Slowly. To thread the bobbin, take your thread, put it through the empty bobbin through the middle. Now it's through the hole. Now hold it just to keep it in place. Wrap it around about 2 or 3 times just to make sure it's started. Now take your slack of thread, pull it through the upper hand thread guide, bring it around to the bobbin thread tension disc, put it in the notch. Now bring your bobbin and put it on bobbin thread holder, push it to the right, pull out the hand wheel to engage. You're going to gently press down the foot pedal. It will automatically thread itself. Once you're done threading your bobbin, cut, make sure to leave some slack. You then place your threaded bobbin into the bobbin holder. Make sure that when you pull the thread, the wheel is turning clockwise. There's a little notch here that you're going to want to click your thread into. You're going to bring it up under the clasp and through this little hole. Once you've threaded the bobbin, you're going to place the whole contraption into this. The imprint should be in the machine. Put in place, holding the clasp up, and let go of the clasp. Wiggle it around a bit, just to make sure it's in place. Please note that we removed the presser foot for effect. You're then going to take your top thread and pull and hold firmly. Then you're going to rotate the hand wheel, and this motion should ensure that the needle will pull the thread from the bobbin up. There will then be a loop. Taking your scissors, you're going to pull on the loop. Two pieces of thread, one coming from the top and one coming from the bottom, from the bobbin, will be there. And now we're ready to sew. Insert your piece of fabric, press down the foot using the lever, choose your stitch using the stitch selector. We have chosen D. You're going to gently press your foot down on the foot pedal. And there you are. To remove the fabric, lift the foot presser, raise your needle with the hand wheel, pull it out, and snip. And there you are. Hey, this is Sarah again. I hope you learned a lot. Make sure to check out the blooper reel right after the credits.
Okay.
Hi, my name's Sarah. I'll be showing you how to use a sewing machine. Unfold the suit.
Hey, why are we all blurry? Zoom, zoom. There we go. 1, 2. You're right, we should have had this tripod. It's like Blair Witch again. Okay, 1. That was good. I'm proud. Thread.
This is a thread take up lower top. Upper top. I'm reading my notes and I can't read them. It just pops up. This is your storage and bobbin access. You're going to want to put it on when you're doing sleeves.
No, have it off when you're doing sleeves. Because see, it's going to be thinner. Yeah, it makes sense. Spool pin.
This one?
Oh, no, we didn't get a single shot of it.
This is the power cord receptacle.
No. Okay, I'm going to zoom
here,
out. Over, in a little bit more. Closer to the machine.
Okay. You then plug the thread spool. Place your felt piece on top of here. Then put your thread spool on to the thread spool. Through the over to upper thread guide. Stop filming. To thread the needle, you're going to start at the stopper and then insert your spool of thread.
This is how Sarah tries to help herself. Okay. This is how Robbie helps her with labels. And wait, there's more labels right there. And look, another one, upper thread guide, and that's the presser foot down there.
Oh no.
This is the power switch.
Robbie, you shut your mouth.
Sarah.
Okay, to begin. Notch of the bobbin tension disc.
We're going to go do some dram exercises and get rid of some energy. We'll be back in 5.